Yes, two of the most important Amazon SiteStripe features will be missing starting new year. Which ones? Well, according to the official email that came to all Amazon associates, these will be the image and text plus image features. It is said that they will stop working with the end of December. So what does this mean for you and your sites? Well, every image that you've used or rather embedded on your site using the image or text plus image function will simply disappear starting new year. To be clear here, these changes won't affect the simple text links generated using SiteStripe, so don't worry about that. How to deal with that? Well, there are three main ways to do that. The first and the very much official way is to use the Amazon Product Advertising API. Using the API is free, however, it does require some coding knowledge. You can use the API for many different things like sourcing the images, sourcing current prices of the products for your sites, and much more, but it's not that straightforward. Without using any plugin that makes use of the API, using it by yourself can be very challenging, especially if you haven't done stuff like that before. The second way is to replace the images manually. This can take a lot of time, especially if you own a few sites or if you have many product pages on your site. The third way and the simplest way is to use a plugin like Lasso, which has an auto-migrate SiteStripe feature. With this feature, you'll be able to replace all your SiteStripe generated images and more. Lasso also offers quick solutions for things like product displays, product comparison tables, enabling you to present your affiliate products in a much more efficient way, and with that up your earnings. Link in the description below. So, don't just wait around and quickly replace all your SiteStripe generated images before the end of the year. I'll be going now to do exactly that. Until next time.